How to run depreciation in Xero. Here we are in our test client Virtually There Limited. We need to go to the fixed asset register. So we go to accounting, fixed assets. As you can see here, we've got our assets registered, but over the top right corner of the screen, you can see here we've got this run depreciation button. Simple as clicking on that, and we want to run it for the 1st of April. So you can see here we've got an amount calculated for each asset type. So we just need to click on confirm, and that's run for April. And we also need to run it for May, so we'll click back in to run depreciation, and you can see we've got May selected. It's calculated some different amounts, and just click on confirm again. There we go, that's how you run depreciation in Xero.